Top-down, bottom-up shades are really cool. We work with a lot of our clients who are looking for a shade that offers them privacy and light at the same time, and that's kind of a difficult combination because if your shade is open, you don't have privacy. If it's closed, you do have complete privacy, but you can't see out and you don't get the light. So top-down, bottom-up is a great blend of those. A top-down, bottom-up shade means that the fabric can either pull up traditionally from the bottom to the top, just like you would do any normal blinder shade that you've seen out there, but it also comes from the top of the shade down so that you can maintain privacy on the lower half of the window. You can have the top half of the window wide open for light, and it's adjustable, so it doesn't just come down to like a midpoint in the window. It'll come down 3 inches, 6 inches, a foot, or halfway down the window, or all the way down the window if you prefer to actually open your window from the top down. One of the most popular top-down, bottom-up styles we do are honeycomb shades. They work beautifully with an energy efficient shade because it allows you that ability to allow light to filter in over the top, but you still get energy efficient qualities in the fabric that blocks the heat that might be below that. These particular shades work really well in kitchen and eating areas. They work great in bathrooms so that you can maintain that privacy and still get light over the top, and especially in bedrooms. A lot of people want to be able to wake up in the morning and get dressed with natural light, but obviously you don't want to get dressed in front of open windows. So you can lower those shades from the top down, you can let the light filter over, and maintain your privacy at exactly the same time. Another type of shade that we do that works really well with top-down, bottom are Roman shades. Roman shades have a beautiful fabric, texture, design, or style, and they offer something that gives you a much more elegant look, but then you have the added feature of the top-down, bottom-up for the function of the shade. You don't just have to have a Roman shade that stacks beautifully at the top. You can actually have one that hangs in the window. The pleats look really nice in the window, but then you can lower it from the top. You can allow that light to filter over and still maintain your privacy at exactly the same time. They're different from standard shades in the fact that you just get that one element of lowering it from the top that's different than a standard shade. It's honestly not a very expensive option. It's worthwhile to have on the shade so that if you ever want to lower it from the top, you have that option available, but you don't always have to use it. You can also use it like just a traditional shade where you raise and lower it just like normal.